Hi everybody, in this part of the demonstration we're here to show you the molecular hydrogen content of these liquids that we have in front of us. So we have the tap water, we have the Volvic, Evian, Smart Water, Highland Spring and the Sprite. And of course we will be testing the Tyent. Here we have the best way to test for molecular hydrogen in these liquids is by using an actual hydrogen meter. Okay, these are very expensive and people don't use them. They use blue drops normally because these are too expensive to buy. But for the sake of this presentation, we've actually purchased one to show you exactly the content of molecular hydrogen in all of these beverages. So we're going to start now with the tap water that we have right here. So tap water is there. If we put this in, you will see the number. And if I look at that, I can see a 0 on there. Okay, then we can jump into the Volvic and you would see the molecular hydrogen that's in Volvic. And again, 0. The next one to test is Evian, and again, 0. You kind of guess you're seeing a pattern forming here. Here we have Smart Water, and the number on there is also 0. Okay, Highland Spring. Now in Highland Spring you've got these bubbles in there. There could be some hydrogen in that. Let's have a quick look. And the number on there is also 0. And here we have Sprite, also carbonated, and if we put the Sprite inside, the probe inside the Sprite, you can see also it's 0. Okay, so now we're going to test our Tyent. We're going to just engage the machine there, just turn it on. Select level 3, which is the one that you will drink, and by selecting that, we're going to test the hydrogen that comes out of that water. So as you've seen right here, all of these waters are 0. So what that tells you is that you can buy any bottled water that you want, and unfortunately you're not going to end up with any molecular hydrogen in there. Let's test here the Tyent level 3 and see what we've got here. Now here's the thing, there was an article that was written that said if the molecular hydrogen reads at 500, if you drink 2 litres of that per day, that's the equivalent of eating over 700 bananas or over 500 apples. Very interesting. So let's have a quick look what the molecular hydrogen level is of Tyent alkaline 3. So we just put that in there. Now I can see that moving straight away. And if I just bring that a little bit more forward, and just to read out that number, it's 1,688.91. Let's see if we can get that over 1,700 there. Let's have a quick look. There we go. It's hit over 1,700, and that's parts per billion of molecular hydrogen.